Top interesting facts about Canva. Canva is a visual depiction stage that permits clients to make plans without earlier plan in sight. The stage was established in 2012 in Sydney, Australia, and presently has more than 15 million clients. Canva offers an extensive variety of configuration formats and devices, including an intuitive connection point and a library of north of 1 million stock pictures, designs, and outlines. Canva has been perceived as quite possibly of Australia's quickest developing organization and was esteemed at more than $6 billion in its latest financing round. The stage has gotten positive surveys for its easy-to-understand interface and has been utilized for an assortment of configuration needs, including online entertainment designs, introductions, and showcasing materials.